So as we know guys, rain jackets are essential to every adventure. Therefore, I will be bringing my jacket everywhere I go. But I don't know about you, I was sick of making a mess by randomly stuffing them into my bags, because it makes it even harder to find small items when you need them. Which is why guys, I've sought out a way of properly folding them up without damaging them. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to roll up one of these perfectly. And this is going to work on any rain jacket guys, big or small. Okay, I had to take it off because I was starting to melt. This is how to Ranger roll your jacket. The first step, step one, is to lay your jacket out and make sure that it is zipped up. Step 2, start by folding the bottom into itself to form a cuff. I normally go for about anywhere between 4 and 8 inches depending on the jacket size. Step 3, take the right arm and use it to fold your whole jacket over in line with the hood on your coat. Normally this is about 1/3 of the way over. Step 4, grab that arm and fold it back over the way it came, but this time guys, place it facing downwards and take some time to smooth out any air pockets here guys. Trust me, it's going to help in the long run. So step 5 is to take the left arm and use it to fold the left side of the jacket over to the right. Again, use the hood for reference here guys, you want about 1/3 over, and then position the left arm pulling it down facing you in the same way that you did with the right arm earlier. Step 7 guys, we're getting there now, we're doing well. Now it's time to swivel the jacket 180 degrees. You've got to spin that thing all the way around so that the hood is now closest to you. Step 8 guys is to fold the hood in half. So step 9 guys is to roll that hood. You want to make this as tight as possible, so take your time and get this done right. This is where most people are going to fail guys, because they're going to roll up the jacket too loose. So don't be that guy, use both hands and get it as tight as possible. If there are little bits of the jacket that are escaping, then make sure you tuck them in. Pick up the jacket and get a firm grip on it. So this bit is a tiny bit tricky to see, so I apologize for that. But you want to put your hand inside the cuff that you've created, the one that's on the exterior now. Inside of this cuff is going to be the same color as the outside of your jacket. You want to put your hand in that cuff solidly. Here you want to hold tightly and keep the jacket in your grasp. Step 11, with your other hand, pull the cuff you created over the main bulk of the jacket. Once you've got the majority in there, use both hands to push the jacket into this cuff as much as possible. This will keep it super tight. And that's it guys, you've created your waterproof jacket burrito. It might not work the first time, but rewatch the video guys. Maybe make that first cuff bigger than you first did and just try it again. It will work out in the end guys. The bigger and thicker this jacket, the harder the process is going to be. Like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want to join me on a few camping trips, and share the video with your mates if you're about to go on a trip with them too. Let's pack efficiently together. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.